Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan, it's almost 12 midnight. With continuous rains, floods, landslides, and typhoons, may I encourage and may I remind to all my friends, even my relatives, and to all the people na naa sa location sa Carmen, Davao del Norte, Tagum City, Davao de Oro, all municipalities of Davao de Oro, Montevista, Moncayo, Kapalong, Mako, and New Bataan, even in Surigao. Please get ready kay parang naga-worst, naga-continue ang ulan, ang rains, actually dagang na-stranded po din nga mga travelers, mga passengers. Please get ready and always keep safe. Please follow the instructions sa mga leaders sa LGU. Continue to pray for yourselves and always keep safe and always trust in God. God bless us all.